I still feel you in the thunder moon. I still see you in the lightning's bones. The rain's a lullaby soaked in our yesterday. I whisper your name through the storm's gentle haze. Whisper in the rain where the world fades to black. Your touch in the downpour keeps pulling me back. Every drop's a tear we never got to cry. Under stormlit stars, love refuses to die. I see your face in your voice in the thunder, aching and warm. But the rain keeps falling, soft like your last goodbye. I still believe we'll meet again when the skies dry. City lights flicker like the fire in your moments we missed drift up to midnight skies. In this hush of sorrow, your name still blooms like a rose in the gutter, sweet in the gloom. You haunt the rhythm of the storm's refrain, a love song